In this video, I want to show you how to update your Canon Pixma TR7820. So let's get started right away. First, press the home button on the main panel. Then you're going to press the cogwheel over here down below. Select printer settings, the second option. Go down and select firmware update. Your printer needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network to be able to update. Select install update and wait a few seconds. You're gonna get a firmware update is available. Do you want to update now? You may not get this message if your printer doesn't need an update. But if there is one pending, like in my case, select yes. It will take you on this page that is saying update. Take time. Do not turn off or disconnect from the internet until the update is completed. So this is very important because if you do so, your printer may break, so it may be unusable if you disconnect it from the internet or you turn it off. So select start update and wait. We'll come back in around 5 minutes just to show you how it looks. Alright, so at the end, actually it took about 3-4 minutes to do it. You'll get update successful. Press OK and start using your printer again. Thanks for watching. If my video was helpful, take a moment and leave a comment. If you have more time, leave a like, subscribe, and take a look at my Amazon links down below if you want to get some paper, some ink, or even a brand new printer. See you in the next video.